Hey guys, real quick before we get on to the video, I just wanted to let you guys know real quick because I'm noticing while I'm editing it that I forgot to mention this, so I'll go ahead and mention it now. If you're interested in these lights, go ahead and go down into the description of this video. I'm going to go ahead and put the link to the website where you can get these lights on. Also, the guys over at Oneuplighting were nice enough to let me have a discount code for you guys to give, so you guys can get 10% off the lights or anything else on the website that you guys want, which I'm going to go ahead and also put down in the description. So if you guys want these lights and want to save some money, go ahead and check on the description. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're here again today in my driveway. I'm going to do another install on the Civic, and today what we have is some LED lights. This is specifically an engine bay kit from Oneuplighting. I've seen them on Instagram and I thought their lights looked pretty awesome in their videos and pictures that they have, so I wanted to give it a try. Not too expensive, so they are, as you can see here, they 3M taped on. These are all attached together. There's 8 lights here, so we're gonna go ahead and be running them throughout the engine bay here. I've already thought about how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna put some here under my strut bar. I'm gonna put some, and then I'm gonna run one along the side here, one along the side over there, and then I'm gonna have 2 right down here behind this grill, kind of show off light through the grill, and I'm gonna have 2 more coming down and shining through the bottom of the grill here to show off my 271 intercooler. At least that's what I'm hoping for. We'll see if I find places to mount them. So first things first, I've already, like I said, kind of mapped it out, and I gotta remove the bumper and then get started with running the lights through and the cables around. Real quick, in case you've never taken your bumper off, it's pretty easy, but it is a long process because there's a lot of little things you gotta take off the car. There's basically clips around the whole edge here that you're gonna be removing in the front to get the top part off. There are 2 screws that are normally, there's one here and one here, 2 Phillips screws. I already undid those, so those will pop off to get the side of the bumper off. And then under the bumper you have basically along the front here, just like at the top, you'll have a bunch of push clips, so you just undo those. At either ends of the bumper there's 2 10mm bolts, one on each side, and then there's also an Allen key bolt that you need to take off, one and one there, so there's 2 of those. And I believe that was a size 5 Allen key, if I'm not mistaken. Alright guys, so I got the bumper off, got it set there to the side on the grass so it doesn't get all scratched up, at least hopefully. So now I can go ahead and work on routing the lights. How I'm gonna do it is I'm gonna have 2, like I said earlier, under my crash bar. I can't talk. Under my strut bar here, so I'm gonna 3M tape it to the bottom here alongside. I'll probably run the wire somehow over here. I gotta figure that out, how I'm gonna run the wires. Then I'm gonna put one back here against the body of the car, so it's gonna go, you know, right along the side there on the painted part. Stick one there, and the wire is gonna run through this way, come up, somehow stick it through here. We'll see how, you know, there's some space down here, it looks like, so bring it out. And then what I want to do is this bar here in the front, this bar ends up being right behind here, and obviously, if you guys know, we got the little grill hose there, and then the rest of the grill down here. So I'm thinking I'm gonna go ahead and stick them to the bottom of this, because there's plenty of space back here. Even though I put in my nut rivets, there's still plenty of space to go along the side of it here, because luckily these lights are pretty skinny, see? You know, they're not that thick, so they don't need a whole lot of room. And they're made small like that because they're made for engine bay, so they know, you know, a lot of engine bays have tight spaces. So what I want to do is run one here because they're short, and then another one right over here to make it like one long one. But I also want to get back down here as well, so it can shine through the bottom grill and show off my intercooler basically. So I gotta figure that out, because all these lights, they are like, they're all connected to each other. So I gotta make sure that I run it correctly and in a good space, that when I undo these little wires here, that there's actually enough slack to put them where I want to put them. Alright guys, so I finally figured out how I'm gonna route all these wires. It did take me a minute. I had a little issue with what I wanted to do down here, but I was able to figure it out. Alright guys, so I've got it all buttoned up, got all the lights where I want them to be, got the wires going through where I want them to go. Okay, let me see, maybe if you can see it, I don't know. Right there under the strut bar. I've taped it up there, taped up the wiring to the strut bar also, so it wouldn't be hanging. I got it all there. Then over here, I just kind of ran it, the cable letters drop down, come up, come over here. I taped it right here. I'm not too worried about this showing because my white cover actually goes over this, so you won't even see this cable right here. And the light's right there. You can see it running through. There it is. And the cables just come up, comes through here, goes underneath all these. There's the cable underneath all these. And then the light is right there. You can see it. The whole LED strip goes to the middle, drops down, goes straight down, comes left. I did this side first, and then the light's right here. So you can see it. The whole strip. Just kind of went up with the tape. I know this looks funny, but it's alright because the bumper is going to cover it. That's going to be all behind this area here, so you won't even see any of this stuff, so it's all good. But looped around, got the other light down here also. Just taped it right up on, right onto the crash bar. Going up, got the other LED light back here under this one. And then it's basically the same thing on this side, just runs behind there. And you can see it here, right there. Goes across, and then there's my other light right there. And then right here, I just gotta plug it in to the little module that connects it to my phone, because this setup is Bluetooth, which is, I'll show you guys that real quick if I can find it. Here it is. So it's this guy here. It's all Bluetooth. So I just gotta hook it up to this, and then this, the other end, this end to the battery, and that's it. Use my phone and go ahead and work it. So I'm gonna go ahead, finish that up, put the bumper back on and everything, and then we'll wait till later tonight, and then I'll get you guys a good shot of what it all looks like in the engine bay. Alright guys, so it's a little bit darker in the day, and I've got it all wired up. Kind of shoved in all the extra wires down here and did tie it up together. And then the way I plugged it in, which I'm likely going to change later because I don't really like the way it sits, but for now I got the negative there for that cable, which runs to the negative on the battery, and then I got the positive, obviously, as you can see, straight to the positive. But that's all you need to do, just positive and negative on the battery. This is the little module here. The whole lights work with Bluetooth, so it's all with an app on the phone. So I'll go ahead and see. I know it's not that dark, but you can still see the lights a bit. And there they are, shining through. Got the bottom shining as well. You change the colors: blue, green, anything, purple. You can even have it do a little animation. See it going around, different colors. It's pretty cool. Very happy with it. I'm glad with the way it came out. It shines perfectly just like I wanted it to. It's pretty bright actually, considering how bright it is out here right now, and you can see it this good. But lots of settings. Let me see. Lots of colors. It's nice, man. I love it. And then again with the app, you can just turn it off, turn it on, set the different modes, different colors here, put it back on red. It's pretty awesome, guys. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, please, like always, give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment if you got any questions. Until next time, take care and have a great day.